Hello and welcome back to part 3 of the MS-A1 build. In the rack we have the MS-A1 on the shelf, and I'm going to get an injected molded piece to actually put it there and rack it with space for a jet KVM. But the reason we're doing all of that is because we will now have the eGPU on that for machine learning and everything else. Probably plan to run this and do a little bit of everything from maybe some light coin mining to that. Once I put that in, I'm gonna rock with my RTX A4000 in order to do that. So hopefully I can have that. So I 3D printed this case on the Bamboo X1 Lab Carbon. I have to get the PSU and the little GPU dock, and then I should be good to go. So that is what's next for the MS-A1. I'm excited because it's running Windows. I may switch that up because I think it might have to run, to be effective, it may have to run Linux. Not sold on it yet, but if I'm doing LLM stuff, it should run fine on Windows. For now, if I want to do machine learning and all the other fun stuff, then I probably will have to switch it over to Linux. But yeah, that is what we're going to do. And that is the big eGPU dock, which is nice because I found this model in Maker World. It has a handle, it has space for the power button, and space for all the connectors in the back, which is really awesome. So that when it's all said and done, this is probably about almost 17 hours of print time. This was the biggest piece. It's a little warped. Just because it stopped a couple times being weird, but it should be good to go now. So this is the next phase of the MS-A1 build. I like this one because it has a GPU. The MS-A2 I thought about, but that eGPU is a game changer, especially for any machine learning and stuff. So for now, we'll rock this. We'll be able to do a lot with other Windows applications that are needed on that, and have enough horsepower to do a couple things. So I'm really excited. This is the biggest one. The nice part about this is it does actually snap apart. So it does the fun thing like come apart there. So we can put it in and it's friction fit, which is nice. You got the line there. So it's really cool and I'm pretty excited about it. So we will get what has been sitting around for years, not really being used as much, into circulation. It'll be a pretty low power system, which I'm really excited about having and have on for a while. So even with the GPU running, it should work out beautifully. So I'll be working on that and we'll go from there.